Welcome to our video on the AI revolution, transforming factory efficiency and price outcomes. In today's fast-paced manufacturing landscape, staying competitive is crucial. And that's where artificial intelligence comes into play. AI, or artificial intelligence, has the power to revolutionize the way factories operate, enhancing efficiency, and ultimately influencing pricing outcomes. With AI, you can revamp your factory and unleash its full potential. First and foremost, AI enables predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from your manufacturing equipment in real time, AI can detect potential issues before they become major problems. This eliminates costly breakdowns, reduces downtime, and keeps your production humming along smoothly. AI also optimizes inventory management. By analyzing historical data, customer behavior, and market trends, AI can accurately forecast demand, helping you maintain optimal stock levels. This prevents wastage and reduces carrying costs, all while meeting customer expectations. But that's not all. AI improves quality control too. By using computer vision and machine learning, AI can quickly identify defects or anomalies in your products. This allows for early intervention, reduces scrap, and ensures only high-quality products reach your customers. Moreover, AI enhances production scheduling. By taking into account various factors like equipment capacity, labor availability, and material availability, AI can create optimized schedules that minimize bottlenecks and maximize efficiency. This means faster production cycles and quicker time to market. And finally, AI influences pricing outcomes by optimizing pricing strategies based on market conditions, product demand, and customer behavior. By continuously analyzing data, AI can help you set competitive prices that attract customers while maximizing profit margins. So, are you ready to revamp your factory and unleash the power of AI? Embrace the AI revolution and transform your factory's efficiency and price outcomes today. Thanks for watching our video on the AI revolution, transforming factory efficiency and price outcomes. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.